Welcome back, my dear students. In the last lecture, we created this piece of code here that is incrementing, all right, our products in the say our session, right? And it's incrementing depending on what we have in the database. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick because we want to make sure that we have some type of quantity in the database, not zero, because if we have zero, I don't think it's going to show, right? But anyway, let's go ahead and go to PHP My Admin. Let's go to our database products and let's edit one of the products we got. We got product number one right here. I'm going to edit that and I'm going to fill up product quantity to make sure it's at least three. That's product one. Let's go on product two and make sure that here is two. There we go. All right, perfect. All right, so how are we going to check this? Well, first of all, we need to go to our homepage and let's see if I don't have a homepage here of the e-commerce site for some reason. All right, let's just go here and have it. There we go. All right. So this function is coming back here to cart and doing this. Oops. All right, so we are actually incrementing this and we need to redirect back to, let's do checkout. Let's do checkout. And then there we'll display what's going on. All right. All right. So let's go to checkout and we'll display what's actually going on checkout. All right. So right here, let's just roughly say echo session one. We're gonna get probably an undefined index if we the first time, but it doesn't matter. Product one. All right. So if we go to checkout, we get this undefined thing here, but let's go back to the home page. We click here. You can see that it says one there. All right. And if we click it again, it says two. All right. Remember that we only got, I believe, a product quantity of, in the first product of three. So it shouldn't allow us to get more than that. All right. Before we go to three, let's make sure that we display some type of message here, right? So let's open another PHP tag here on checkout.php and let's just say display message. All right, just in case, so that way we can see the message displaying somewhere. All right, so let's go ahead and do it one more time to index. Click again, three. All right, we still at three. Let's do it one more time and there you go. Now we have the three. It doesn't allow us to go over three and it says we only have three available. Now we missed a space here, but that's fine, and we could just put a message right here in red or whatever. All right, let's go ahead and fix that, make it look good right now. All right, so right here, let's just put that space there on available, and we could just take the capital A out, the uppercase, right? Let's go to checkout and let's just display this message a little nicer than what we're doing right now. So we got checkout right here, and right above checkout we could, if we wanted to, display a little H4 message and make sure that it's center. So we put a class of text center with a BG of danger. There we go. I just wanted to show you another class from Bootstrap. I think it's pretty useful. All right, so that's gonna center it, and I think we're good to go on that one. Let's go to home page and let's do it again. Add to cart, and now it says we only have three available. We need a space right here on that three. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so we only have three available right here. So sorry about that. Let's do it again. There we go. We only have 3 available. And you could put the name of the product. We only have 3 product ones available. All right. You can just concatenate it right here. Put some other strings right here. We only have, you can even put it inside here if you want to. We only have whatever available there. All right. So I'm just looking out for actually the best way of doing this. Let's see right here if we can do it like this, row, and then there. We can do it with a curly brackets. All right. If you try to do this with a single quote, you won't be able to. So we can come out and say something like product title. We only have product, you know, let's just remove this real quick. We only have 3. Let's just concatenate it right here. Product available. Let's check it out. Let's see how that looks. All right. We shouldn't worry too much about the looks, right? We only have 3 product ones available, and we can put a little S there if we wanted to. All right. So that's one way of doing that. That's beautiful, right? And we can just take that 3 out of there. We don't need it. I don't need to display this anymore. We know that it's working. Perfect. All right. So I hope you learned a lot on this lecture here. All right. Come back. Let's do it again. It's fun, right? All right. Perfect. All right. We're going to continue working on this in the next lecture. And I hope you're having some fun. All right. Take care, and I'll see you in the next lecture.